How to disable OneDrive sync. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to disable the sync on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner right here. Select it. Then tap onto settings right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find the camera backup right here. Now tap on it. Now you can see it is synced. Now to disable it, simply tap onto this button and turn it off. Just like this. And by doing this, now you have simply disabled it. And that's it. This is how you can disable OneDrive sync. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.